back to our YouTube channel. So we have a vlog today. Anong vlog natin?
No.
We were gonna go to River Moon. Fly me to the moon.
No.
Ano? Aray ko. You want to buy stickers? Ang bungot pa. Mananabunot pa itong batang to.
buy stickers.
Grabe naman yung greeting mo.
Buy stickers.
Oh, you say to the guys. Hello guys. We were gonna buy stickers, but we don't know when.
No matter when.
A few moments later.
Ninong Ching is the one driving today. Supposedly it's Papa Jumar we're gonna drive, but Papa Jumar played basketball, so he experienced pulikat right now.
Oh no.
So he cannot drive. Okay. There, Ninong Ching is there. Guwapo. Guwapo ng mata. Nay, okay din naman yung ilong. Nay, okay din naman yung ngiti. Ba't nga eh? Ba't nga eh? Nung kompleto na nung nangyari. What happened? Sabi niya. Ba't nga eh?
Okay. Mountain.
You wanna go to the mountain?
Mountain.
A few moments later.
Hello guys! So welcome back to our YouTube channel. So nandito kami ngayon sa River Moon. Ayan, so gumala na naman ng Fambang. Ayan, so samahan nyo kami na i-explore itong lugar na to. It's our first time to come here. And yun guys, si Mary naiwan na doon sa papa niya. So habang kami gagala, diba? May free time ako. Ayan. So, tapos ang tatay muna ang bahala sa baby namin. Ayan, so i-tutor namin kayo, i-tutor ko kayo guys sa place na to. And tara, let's go!
Diyan ka lang.
Ha? Sorry. Hindi ko alam.
Yan na, maganda yung picture niya na.
Ay, dyan ba? Tara, isa. Okay, tawa.
Tawa.
Parang masira ulo.
A few moments later.
Sabay pa kami.
Không có bình thường được. Có tiếng cười bình thường.
A few moments later.
talikuran. O, diba? Ayan. Nagmo-moment pa yung dalawa. Sige, bigyan natin sila ng time. Mga siguro 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. O, diba? Hindi pa rin sila tapos. Tara, guys!
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Thank you, Papa.
A few moments later.
Smell mo, smell. Smell mo. Smell dali. Okay, go walk. You walk, go.
Mama, come.
Pwede kang matulog dito, guys. Yan, pero hindi ko lang sure kung magkano yung accommodation nila. So, yan. Parang siyang tent siya. Tent na nasa loob. Pero, parang mukha naman siya maganda. Sinong ganda? Sinong ganda? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Uy! Sinong ganda? Nag-enjoy ka, Mary. Are you happy? So, yun, guys. Tapos na kaming kumain. And si Jumar nag-order pa ng ng beer. So, medyo matagal-tagal pa kami bago makauwi. And eto, I'm with Mary and we're walking. Walking lang kami. Sightseeing lang, guys. So, napakaganda dito sa place. Dito sa River Moon. Especially pag gabi kasi syempre may mga ilaw, ganyan. And also, Also, the food is okay, good. Ano rin siya, affordable din siya. Pareho lang ng mga, mga Lao foods ba. Ayan, parang aampo na guys. Shucks. Okay, so, yan. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung video na to. And if you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you will be notified on our next video. Mary, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you again next time.